Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you how to check your YouTube channel violations and see whether your channel is eligible to earn money through the YouTube partner program using your iPhone. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. First, open the App Store and search for YouTube Studio. Make sure the app is updated to the latest version because the latest features are usually available in the newest update. Once you've updated the app, open YouTube Studio and sign in to the YouTube channel you want to check. After that, tap on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. From here, tap Account Status. Inside this section, you'll find two important options. The first one is Channel Violations, where you can check if your channel has any community guideline strikes or other issues. The second option is Ability to Earn, which shows your YouTube partner, program eligibility, and your current monetization progress. For example, my channel doesn't have enough watch time yet, so I'm not eligible for monetization right now. Once you meet all of YouTube's requirements, you'll be able to apply for the YouTube Partner Program directly from this section. And that's all there is to it. I hope this video helped you. If it did, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.